When it comes to office fit-outs and refurbishments, fitting in with your schedule is everything. Too often, contractors are held up by installers who can't adjust to last-minute schedule changes or unexpected delays. Having an order is one thing, having a team that's flexible enough to meet your schedule is another. At ICE, we understand that in your world, adaptability is crucial. We built our approach around flexibility, refined through years of experience working with high-stakes industries like pharmaceuticals and manufacturing, where tight deadlines and last-minute adjustments are the norm. For you, that means our team can move projects around to fit your schedule, ensuring your air condition and ventilation installations happen exactly when you need them. With ICE, there's no waiting around, just a reliable, adaptable team that fits seamlessly into your project timeline, helping you to stay on track and deliver for your clients. If you're tired of delays and looking for an installation partner who can fit in with your schedule and keep pace with your demands, let's talk. We're here to keep your project moving.